Eli, so what are you going to draw now?
D.
What is this that you're drawing?
That one.
What is that one?
Fish for thing.
Oh, a fish wild thing.
A big mouth. Big mouth. How do I spell fish?
Oh, what letter does it start with?
F.
Remember what comes next? Then what?
S.
Very good.
H.
Very good.
And how do I spell Watson?
Put a W. I. L. D. T. H. I. N. G.
Oh. But it's down.
Oh, yeah, did we make a mistake on the end?
Yeah.
That's okay.
That too.
That's great.